gazelle intensity to, enjoying and doing some other stuff. You might even increase some giving during that time and all those kinds of things. So
why do people do that?
Concentrating on the house, but not.
You still got to wait for all the cars behind me to go anyway, so you're not saving any time. I just don't get it. And it falls.
Both of you want. It's something he just wants.
Jaw-dropping statistics in the last sentence. 1. Mr. Earl has built up a huge nest egg off of his small salary. And 2.
Red light runner.
Top 10% of American families have $274,000.
Laurie is with us in Niagara Falls. Hi,
Niagara Falls represent.
Thank you, Mr. Ramsey, for taking my call.
Sure. What's up?
My husband and I are reconciling our 25-year-old marriage, and our financial situation is a disaster.
Why would you pull out into the street?
We run a family farm, and I'm coming up.
Beamer was there before me. Bus. Hey! Wait your turn, jackass.
Okay. All right, if you want to do that, that's okay. That'd be fine. But you can get it paid off real fast if you
someone
really
screwed it up.
You just stop your life. No life. All right. No life. Cut everything out.
Message. Don't miss our new videos on entrepreneurship, business, and money every single week. So hit that subscribe button below or hit this button right here.
What are you doing in the middle of the intersection? In the middle of the intersection. The light's not going to turn faster because you're in the middle of the intersection. Yeah, that's... Yeah, you're going to be that much in the middle of the intersection, you might as well just go. Because I don't get it.
Here's the real kicker. Even if your property doubles in value and you make like 6 figures in rental income, you could just still take the depreciation deduction and tell the IRS, hey, our property's a year older, so I want to take this deduction on my taxes. And I'm going to give you this disclaimer one more time.
I don't see where it's going to come from.
Okay. So, what is your household income now?
We make just a little more than $200,000 a year.
Okay.
He's cheating. Cheaters never win.
Well, we don't have much debt, so it just goes.
So,
see if that...
Yelling about the bomb in the bathroom. Maybe drop one. Maybe drop the brown bomb or something. Maybe.
Really?
That's why his clothes were off. You know, if you ever go into the bathroom...
Florida, asshole. And the shoulders are narrow on this road.
than you make now, plus you get your pension, which gets you out of debt faster, and let's retire as soon as you get the new job. If you get it next week, go ahead and retire. If you get the new job in September, retire. If you get the new job in January, retire. But let's go ahead and get the other job. I don't want you wandering off and sitting on your butt on mission because you got an emergency fund. And so that's really what it's for. And I have always just used a money market account.
Why would you do that?
In my case, my local bank, because we've got a big
If I do a little research on your website and things, and I'll figure out how I can become debt-free. And
wow.
I'm
what?
52
2 cars.
years old, and I'm probably more excited about that now than I just would
Bristol.
the rest of my life.
What the hell is that? That's stupid.
Look, we need to get to a hospital before it's too late. I never seen 20 this big strong as your face. I never meant to give you my soul, girl. I never meant to bring you to my world. But now you're saying is that you want to
Truck with the trailer and tractor trailer in the left lane.
Stick to it. They say that trust takes years to build, seconds to break, and a lifetime to repair. So you have to stay true to yourself and stay true to your brand if you really want it to grow. People will try to push you and
up the yeah, he's going backwards up the on-ramp. The things we do to avoid traffic.
But it's worth noting that the way I originally set this up was for Fundrise to just automatically reinvest my dividends back into Fundrise.
And I think he
realized
realizes
that. Have an effect on my returns as well. If I want.
Ah, the mail truck ran the red light. Oh, hell no. JB Hunt driver. Why am I not surprised? Hell no. You was behind me, you're staying behind me.
Those are the things that make you the money. When you're wrenching on a truck, those are the things that are saving you money, but you shouldn't have to wrench on a truck. If it lives up to the way that you expect it to perform, you shouldn't have to spend your evenings and weekends keeping your truck running.
These fill my whole pretty much after school calendar and my weekends with all lawn care
17
work.
years old.
And then
and ran red light.
I completely.
Reality TV is not real. Reality TV is whatever the showrunner and director want to make it. So every morning we would wake up for a plan, and we're building a process we do every day, and they would tell us, here's how you're going to do this, here's how you're going to react, here's this.
Have some way of transferring your knowledge to the people that work within your organization. For instance, do you actually think there's $5 and $10 million companies in existence today that use the lick and stick approach?
I'm almost afraid to get alongside him. He's tired. The thing that sucks is that
You hit this nice 4-footer, lay it the right way. The depth is maximizing the slope. Underneath it, look at this thing.
You ask your customer or you ask one of the guys in your crew a question, and they don't answer you right, or they stall, or they repeat
shit.
the question.
You're like not luck.
What they're trying to do is give themselves time to come up with an answer.
The Prince of Wales trophy, I gotta say, both teams grabbed the trophy, so that whole jinx out the window, because somebody touched the trophy and is going to win. And I think this is what teams should do from now on.
I guess I get to interview Elliot Hulse. Just love it.
Oh, that's ran the red light.
Bridget is with us in.
I wanted to put forward. And the reason it's so challenging is because I started to write it down. Well, how the hell am I ever going to come up with the top 10 things, mistakes that contractors make? So taking notes.
I was ready to try to go around the guy. No freaking way. Ninjas kidnap my family, need $4 for karate lessons. That has got to be one of the more funnier signs I've read from homeless people. And I use homeless in air quotes.